Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Marmonix MVS-201-8H industrial endoscope, a must-have tool for industrial inspections in tight space. Let's see what's inside. The device is protected in bubble wrap for safe shipping. Here's the device itself, wrapped securely in bubble plastic to protect it during transit. Now let's take a look at the accessories. First, we've got the hook, perfect for pulling items in tight space. Next, with the magnet, which will be useful for packing up metal objects. And here's the mirror that lets you inspect around corners and hard-to-reach areas. We also have some additional fixators for attaching accessories to the device. Here's the charging cable and the manual, which will help guide you through the setup and use. Let's focus on the device now. This is the Marmonix MVS-201-8H with a 4.3-inch display, ideal for inspecting hard-to-reach places. It comes with a 1-meter waterproof wrap with a camera on the end, complete with a built-in flashlight for clear viewing in dark spaces. Let's go over the button now. First, we have the power button. Press and hold it to turn on the device. Next, we have the brightness button to adjust the flashlight on the camera. Use the plus and the minus buttons to make the light brightest or dimmer, depending on your need. This button lets you toggle between color and black and white display. The black and white mode is useful for low light conditions. This button lets you toggle between color and black and white display. The black and white mode is useful for low light conditions. Here's the rotate button, which allows you to rotate the display 180 degrees, giving you a better angle for inspecting objects. These zoom buttons let you zoom in for closer look or zoom out to see border area. This contrast button adjusts the contrast of the display, improving visibility in different environments. Let's flip the device over. At the bottom of the device, you will find the charging port and the rest button. If the device freezes, you can use the rest button to get it back to normal. For charging, connect the provided cable to the Type-C charging port. Make sure to use a 5 voltage 1 ampere charging for the best results. It's super easy to attach the hook, magnet and mirror to the endoscope. These accessories are great for navigating hard-to-reach areas. Once attached, you can see the display inside and get a clear view of whatever you're inspecting. So there you have it, the Marmonix MVS-201-8H industrial endoscope. It's packed with useful features and is ready to help with all your inspection needs.